this question is going to take us time to calculate. So I would like you all to pay very close attention. Say the KSP value for what PB3 P042 is 1 exponential what 54. I say calculate what the molar solubility of what of the salt here. So instead of that, they want you all to calculate the answer in what mole per what liter. So that's what they're asking you to do. The second one is what calculate what is the concentration of what PbO4 in what in the saturated solution of this salt here. Then calculate what the molar solubility of this salt in what gram per liter. So pay close attention. So the first one to do is what write the ionic what equation. So Pb3 PO4 2. So what happened here? We have Pb2 plus, right? Pb2 plus PO4 2 minus. Okay, 3 watts minus 2 minus. So next you want to do is to balance the equation. So yeah, how many lead do you have here? 3. So you have to put 2 here. PO4, how many do you have here? You have to put 2 here, right? So it's balanced. So you want to write the KSP expression. Remember, here is what is solid. Here is what aqueous. Here is what aqueous solution. So here we have KSP equal to Pb2 plus aqueous. This was 3. Then we have PO4 3 minus aqueous. This was 2. So this was the KSP expression. Now, the question did not give us the molar solubility of the salt here. They only gave us the KSP value. Do you get that? So what we have to do with my molar solubility? So you now say let concentration of what Pb3 PO4 2 equals to what X. You get now which is what is your no, which or what you are what looking for. You get let it be X. So remember, this I cannot input on here. I can only put the concentration of what Pb2 plus and what PO4 2 minus. So how do I get their concentration? I get that concentration from this one here. Yeah, so here we have Pb2 plus the aqueous is equals to what? How many more do we have here? 3. That is 1 which what 3. So then this is going to be 3 times x. Now going to be 3 what x. 3 what x. Then for the other one here, Pb4 2 minus. Okay, 3 what minus 3 minus aqueous is equals to what 2 times x. It's going to be 2 what x. So that's what you want to do here. So the next thing is to what input your values into the stuff out. So let it be 1 times 10 of minus what 54 equal to 2 here is what 3x. 3x raised by what 3. Here we have what 2x raised by what 2. So 1 exponential what minus 54 equals to. Now when you have some here, it shows that 3 raised by 3, which is going to be what 27. Then 3 raised by x is going to be what s raised by 3. So s raised by 3 here, right? Times 2 raised by 2 is what is 4. The s what square. So you use the square here. So it's going to be 1 exponential minus 54 equals to what 27 times 4 is what? Please do it for me. 27 times 4. 27 times 4. 108. 108. Then x, remember the two are the same, you have to add them together, right? So it will be s raised by what? 5. So here we make x raised by 5 sorry from my here. X raised by 5 equals to what? 1 exponential what? Minus 54 was 108. 9.259 exponential minus 57. You get? So here I want to take the 50th root of this one here. So x equals to the 50th root of this number here. So here we have. How do I get the 50th root? Jesus. How do I read 50? Okay, 50 is also a sentence. 50 is also a sentence. 9.259 is exponential word minus 57. Always out 1 out 5, right? See the same thing now. So you have to punch your calculator and get the answer. We have 9.259 exponential what? Exponential minus 57 raised to 1 out 5. So we're going to be 6. So we have x equals to 6.213 exponential minus 12. Is that what you got?
I'm getting 1.85 times 10 square minus 57.
57.
No, I don't know. Maybe it's because my own is not the same thing as that one. But that one you should be able to get the fifth root now. I posted it earlier.
Okay. Post it earlier. 6.213 exponential minus 12. That is the answer. You get? So my molar solubility now. Molar solubility of Pb3 PO4 is equals to what? This one here. 6.213 exponential 12 mole per liter. Is it clear? Now that is what for the what? For the A. Once I've got this one here, I have to know what now be what easier for me. PO4 2 minus is equals to what? 2 what? X, right? So you want to impute this one here because this is what my molar solubility. Remember, X is what is my molar solubility. PO4 2 minus 3 what minus this 2 minus or 2 minus this 2 minus. So correct it 3 what minus. So 3 what minus because what is it 2x right?
Yeah,
2 what x. So you want to impute this one here. Remember, x is a molar solubility of the sort, right? So you impute this one here. So you have PO4 3 minus is equals to 2 times 6.213 exponential minus 12. 1.2426 exponential minus 11 mole per liter. You get? So the last one C. Remember molarity what mole per liter is equal to what concentration in what gram per liter over what molar what mass. You get? So you just have to cross multiply. When you cross multiply molar concentration in gram per liter is equal to the molarity times what molar what mass. Molar mass. So what we want to do now is to calculate. So molar mass of what Pb2 PO4 2 going to be what? The atomic mass of Pb is what?
207.
Is it 207?
Yeah.
So going to be 207 times what? 3 plus. Remember, this 2 is affected here. 2. Then we have P is what? 31. Let's just say 31 times 1 plus 16 times 4. So once you calculate 207 times 3, then we have 621 plus 190. So if you add it together here, we have 621 times 190. We have 621 plus 190. That was 81 gram per mole. So concentration concentration in what gram per liter. So the molar solubility here we have 6.213 times what 12 times here we have 811.5.03339 exponential minus 9 gram per liter. So this is what is the calculation. So you can see how length it is. You just have to take it step by step. So if you have any question, you can always leave it at the comment section. I will respond to that. You get. Thanks for watching. See you next.